The Chinese smartphone company Huawei has unveiled a new smartphone Enjoy 70X. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The smartphone got a chipset of Kirin 8000A, which is a powerful chipset. And to give more power to this phone, has a 2.19 GHz octa-core processor to make the device ultra fast. And also there is a GPU of Mali G310. There will be an OLED touchscreen display. And the display screen size of the smartphone is 6.78 inches. And it will provide the user with resolution of 1224 by 2700 pixels, 437 ppi. This smartphone will be paired with a RAM capacity of 8 and 12 GB. The smartphone will be fueled with a non-renewable 6100 mAh battery that will carry support for fast charging of 40 watt. The internal storage capacity is 128, 256 and 512 GB, which is enough to store a huge amount of data for future use. The Huawei Enjoy 70X has got a under-display optical fingerprint reader to secure the data on the handset and only allows the authorized person. On the back of the phone, there is a dual camera setup. The main sensor of the phone will be 50 megapixel wide and along with a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The front camera of the phone is 8 megapixel to make taking selfie more easy and more attractive. That's all for now and thanks for watching.